Hi YouTube, Robin's Tiny Homestead in the kitchen again, and I've been racking my brain. How can I make bread in my little teeny tiny 4-slice toaster oven? Because if the bread, if I made a regular loaf, would rise up probably to the top, would touch the heating element. So I've been trying to rack my brain, and then ding ding ding, it dawned on me, make a smaller loaf. And that's okay with me because I don't eat a lot of bread myself, and so I found a recipe for a 1-pound loaf in this small pan, and we're going to put it in the toaster oven and see if we can't make some delicious bread. So I'm going to turn on the oven and preheat it for a couple of minutes, let it get real nice and hot, and then I will put my bread in. It only has a 15-minute timer, so I'll have to turn on the timer before it stops for a little bit more time. 10 more minutes. I'll have to turn it on for 10 more minutes because this size of loaf only cooks for 25 minutes. Okay. Alright. I just put my bread in, and I have a timer on for 15 minutes because that's as long of a timer as that it has. But I will be back before the timer goes off, before it dings, so I can put it on for 10 more minutes. Okay, it's getting around the 1 minute mark, so I'm going to turn this to 10 more minutes, and when it dings, it's done. Okay, the timer is about to go off. There it is. And we will see what the bread looks like and how it did. Well, it got a little dark on top. But sounds hollow inside, so I think it is done. Of course it's done. It's a little dark on top. Okay, I put some butter on top, and I'm gonna let it cool, and I'll show you when it cools. I'll cut a piece and show you what it looks like and it's like inside. Okay, this bread is cooled enough to be able to cut some, and if you'll notice, it's real soft. I don't know if this is the best knife to do it with, but, and I cut it crooked. Oh well. Okay guys, look at that. Very nice, very nice. Nice, soft. You put your thumb in it and it comes right back. It is a small loaf, but like I said, I don't eat a lot of bread, so 2 slices of this would make 1 whole piece for me. One, you know, and that would be fine. Okay, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a comment. If you didn't leave me a comment, tell me what you didn't like. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would, please. It really helps out my channel. And y'all have a blessed rest of the week. Thank you for watching.